Early 2010, I was diagnosed with advanced prostate cancer, and I think it was about 12 biopsies that were taken. Everyone proved positive, but luckily for me at the time, it seemed to be self-contained within the prostate. It hadn't spread. Well, in terms of a diagnosis of my prostate cancer, originally on a scale of 6 months to 21 years, I was given 6 months. That's had I not gone to see the doctor when I did. It got to a stage where the drug I was on, the cancer had become resistant to it. It's after a few years. And so I was given an option of 2 further drugs, told to go and read up on them. I decided on which one I was going to go on, which is one I'm on now. But then when my consultant, John Frew, said about the clinical trial, well, oh no, wow, yeah, I've got to go for this. I never thought I would get the chance to take part in that. So yeah, it was a no-brainer. I just had to go for it. Well, the clinical trial involved, let's say, initially, everything was explained initially. Everything gone through, and right from the start I was told if at any time I wanted to back out, I could, and I could go on to one of the other forms of treatment that had been offered prior to the clinical trial. Say umpteen sort of medicals, scans, CT, MRI, and everything, and then of course the taking of the bloods, the leukapheresis, them going off to be processed with the magic wand or whatever they use, magic science. And then of course it's lots and lots of appointments coming to hospital. We just treat it as a day out, and that's the best way to deal with it, you know, because you're not here for 10 minutes. You know, it's not a half-hour job, it's a year or 2 years, whatever the trial lasts. You've got to be prepared to do it. But the thing is, it ultimately and hopefully it will benefit you, and in addition it will benefit thousands more people. I didn't expect to have this extra time initially, and we're still here thanks to a magical NHS, despite what people say, and all the wonders that are being discovered by cancer research as it goes along. I think, honestly, it's science fiction, it's magic, call it what you will. Yeah, wonderful. I think they do great work. I was told, or I wasn't told, I was asked, do you think we can cure it? And I said, no. I said, but I believe you can control it. And he said, yeah, that's right. I said, well, that'll do, mate. 7.5 years down the line, and anything that helps me, or if I can help others by taking part in a trial, I'm more than happy to do it, because I never ever thought I would reach this stage. I never ever thought I would get a grandchild, and we have now. So
7.5 years of having him here and being able to do the things that we dreamt to do when we retired, because when he was diagnosed, Tony had just retired. I was going to carry on working, so I retired, moved house, came over here, and the Freeman has been our lifeline for the last 7.5 years.
If I can have another day, a month, 6 months, a year, nobody knows, I don't know, but every day is a bonus. Live for the day. And I mean that, really live for the day. Don't dwell on anything, don't look back, what might have been. Live for the day. Live it with your family and enjoy every minute that you can.